Today we're going to show you a super quick, super easy update you can do on your houseboat in just a few minutes.
Let's do it!
In just a few minutes, we're going to take this plain white wall from this to this. And it's so easy, I wish I had known about this sooner. I only need a few tools to complete this project. My favorite tool was the felt edge squeegee for smoothing out the vinyl. Before I get started applying the mural, I'm going to clean the wall. I designed this mural myself, but I'm using artwork that I purchased from Digital Prints by Vicky on Etsy. It only took me a few minutes to apply the mural once I got started. The most difficult part was lining up the mural so that it was straight on the wall. I made some marks to help myself. Yes, sometimes it felt like the mural was eating me alive. But this mural was made of very forgiving material and doesn't give away any of my mistakes now that it's applied. I chose to have my custom mural made on a vinyl material, making it perfect for a houseboat, RV, or my home, because it resists damage from moisture and humidity. Now that the mural is in place on the wall, I'm going to use the felt edge squeegee to smooth it out. The felt helps to protect the mural from any damage that the squeegee might otherwise cause. Now I'm simply going to trim any excess material off of the mural. And that's all there is to it. It was so easy and it made such a huge improvement in the look of the boat. We love this mural. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Thank you! I'd like to dedicate this video to my husband, who is always so encouraging and supportive of me making these videos. I love you, David.
I love you, Daddy.